Good morning, students of class 4th A and C. So before the summer vacations, we did pronouns. We did half of the lesson. I have given you the exercises which you are doing. Now I will resume the explanation. I explained you till here that some of the pronouns are mine, us, yours, his, hers, theirs. They are called possessive pronouns. They are called possessive pronouns. Now there is a difference between mine and my, ours and our, yours and your, his, hers, her, theirs and theirs. Theirs and their. Now they are possessive adjectives. They are not possessive pronoun. Like you were getting confused in the exercise, you were also underlining there was this there without s, there was this there, isn't it? So you were getting confused that this is also a pronoun, but this is not pronoun, this is possessive adjective. This is not possessive pronoun, this is possessive adjectives. First of all, I will tell you the difference between possessive adjectives and possessive pronoun, how you can recognize that this is, because it is really confusing, how you can recognize, how you can make it out that which is possessive pronoun and which is possessive adjectives. Now I have written here with the explanation. This you don't have to write in the copy, no need to write in the copy, this is just an explanation. Now first of all, possessive pronouns. We know that possessive pronouns are mine, ours, yours, his, hers and theirs. Now possessive adjectives are my, our, your, his, her, their. Understood? Now this is possessive adjectives. Now what is the difference? How can you make it out? The difference is, first of all, you see pronouns. Now we have done, what is pronoun? Pronoun is the word that replaces the noun, that is used in the place of nouns. Pronouns replaces the nouns. So let's say ऐसे लेके चलते हैं हम, pronouns and nouns, they are not friends. Okay, आप friend बनाते हो, आप जिस किसी बच्चे के साथ आपका एक अच्छा बॉन्डिंग बन गया, आप उससे फ्रेंड बन जाते हो. ओके, you become friends. आप फ्रेंड्स बन जाते हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल चाइल्ड ए चाइल्ड बी, इन दोनों की अच्छी बॉन्डिंग है. ओके, सो दे आर फ्रेंड्स. Understood? Now, but pronouns and noun, they are not friends. Why they are not friends? Because pronouns replaces the noun. Pronoun क्या करता है? Noun को हटा के खुद उसकी जगह ले लेता है. Okay, it removes nouns from there and it comes in noun's place. Okay, so that is why pronouns and nouns are not so good friends. So pronouns and nouns will not be together. They will not be together. Why? Because friends, जो friends नहीं है वो एक साथ थोड़ी ना रहते हैं. So pronouns and nouns will not be together because it replaces, which pronouns replaces the noun. For example, now this book is mine. This book is mine. Now noun is book here and the pronoun here is mine, and it is a possessive pronoun, not adjective. It is a possessive pronoun. Noun and pronoun, now they are not together. Why? Because there is this one between. This verb is coming in between. Understood? So this is coming in between. So noun and pronoun, they are not together because they are not friend. So this way you can find out that this is possessive pronoun. This is not possessive adjective. I hope you have understood this. Now coming to possessive adjectives. This you will do in class 5th. but I am giving you this explanation so that आपको उस time पे भी clear हो जाएगा. So now whereas adjectives, now we have done adjectives. What are adjectives? That tells the quality of nouns. It qualifies the noun. Adjectives tells the quality of the noun. It qualifies noun. So now adjectives, now what will happen? Now what will happen? Unlike the previous one, what will happen? That the adjectives and nouns, here they are best friend. Here they are best friends. Why? Because adjective tells the quality of the noun. आप अपने उस फ्रेंड के साथ रहना चाहोगे जो आपके बारे में अच्छा सोचता है, जो आपके बारे में अच्छा बोलता है, आप उसके साथ रहना चाहोगे. आपका जो बेस्ट फ्रेंड है आपके बारे में बुरा नहीं बोलेगा, वो आपके बारे में अच्छा बोलेगा. सेम वे एडजेक्टिव्स एंड नाउन्स they are best friend. Why? Because adjectives tells the quality of the noun. They will be together always. जो adjective and noun है हमेशा ये लोग दोनों साथ रहते हैं. They are together. They will be together always. So for example, this is my book. Now what is a noun here? Noun is this book. And what is the adjective here? This my. My is adjective here. Why? Because it is telling that this is my book. It is telling the quality of the book. Whose book it is? This is my book. Understood? And they are together. They are together because adjective हमेशा noun के साथ ही रहेगा. My book. My book. Now here my is possessive adjective. This way you can find it out that whether the pronoun is possessive pronoun or possessive adjective. Understood? One another way is to find it out is my become mine's. Just take care that possessive adjective है. My is possessive adjective. It is not possessive pronoun. आप उसको underline करके pronoun में नहीं count करोगे. This is possessive adjective. Understood? Are is not a pronoun. Your, his, her, their. These are not pronoun. वो गलत हो जाएगा अगर आपने उसको बोला कि ये सारे pronouns हैं. No, they are all possessive adjectives. Whereas possessive pronouns are this. Whereas whenever I say this pen is mine, mine is possessive pronoun. This is my pen. My is possessive adjective. Understood? Another way, आप my का देखोगे mine बन जाएगा. Our, ours. Wherever there is s, ours, yours, his में s नहीं लग सकता because already his s is there. So his, hers, theirs. This will be possessive pronoun. This will be pronoun. जहाँ आपका my का mine बन गया, our का ours बन गया, your का yours बन गया, his, her, hers, their, theirs. That will be your possessive pronoun. I hope you have understood. If any doubt still arises, you can again ask me and I will again explain you this through another way. I hope this way you have understood. So this is the difference. Now coming to the next one. Next topic is we have different types of pronoun. Now this is first personal pronoun. Personal pronoun. Personal pronoun is the pronoun that are used for nouns that name persons. Understood? This personal pronoun that names person, they are called personal pronouns. For example, I, you, we, us, they, etc. Now personal pronoun has three parts. Okay? Personal pronouns have three parts. First is first person. Person speaking, I. Okay, I. Person speaking, I am speaking right now. I am the first person, I. Second person, person spoken to, I am speaking to you. I am speaking to you. Second person, आप लोग second person हो. You are second person. Third person, person spoken about. For example, I am telling you about some other teacher or like that. I'm telling you about some other teacher. That means that other teacher will become the third person. Understood? So person is speaking is the first person, the one who is speaking. Second person is वो जिससे बात कर रहा है, पर्सन स्पोकन टू, एंड द थर्ड पर्सन इज द पर्सन स्पोकन अबाउट, जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं, दैट इज थर्ड पर्सन. I hope you have understood till here. Now we have from the book, I will tell you. Now we have first person, I, me, mine, we, us, ours. Now यहाँ ये मत देखो कि possessive है या नहीं है. Okay, I, me, mine, we, us, ours. This is singular. I, me, mine. Singular का plural कैसे बनेगा? I becomes we, me become us, mine become ours. This is plural. Second person, you, yours. You, yours. Both singular and plural में हम ये use करते हैं. Understood? For one child also I will use you. For the class of 45 children I will also use you. Then third person, he, him, his. Okay, he, him, his. Singular. She, her, hers, and it. Singular. Plural becomes they, them, theirs. They, them, theirs. Understood? So this is first person, second person, third person. Now singular and plural. Now pronouns stand for nouns. Since nouns can be singular or plural, pronouns can also be singular or plural. Here is the list of the singular and plural personal pronouns. Now next is the list. How? Singular, I, me, mine. I, me, mine. You, yours, he, him, his, she, her, hers, it. This is singular. More than one, plural becomes we, us, ours, you, yours, they, them, theirs. Understood? Now we notice that you and yours can be both singular and plural. For example, you are a beautiful girl. Singular. You are beautiful girls. You are beautiful girls. Here you is used as plural. Understood? Girls, more than one girl. Girl, only one girl. Then also we use both you. इसमें कोई change नहीं होगा. For singular plural दोनों के लिए you use होगा. Now comes the gender of the pronouns. Just as we talk about the gender of pronouns, we can talk about the gender of pronouns as well. Understood? जब gender of nouns हम बात कर सकते हैं, तो gender of pronouns भी हम बात कर सकते हैं. Now first person and second person. First person which is speaking, second person जिसको बताया जा रहा है, जिसको कुछ बोला जा रहा है, ठीक है, जो सुन रहा है, the one who is listening. Okay, first person and second person, I, me, mine, you, yours, we, us, ours. Both for males and females, common gender, and also common gender. Understood? I, me, mine, you, yours, we, us, ours can be used for both males and females and the common gender. Okay, then comes the third person, singular forms. He, him, his for males, she, her, hers for females, and it for non-living things and animals. Again, he, him, his, we know this is very common for males. She, her, hers for females, okay, only feminine, and it for non-living things like table, chair, whatever, and animals. This you will use for boys, for girls, and this for non-living and animals. Third person जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं, the person we are talking about, plural form they, them, theirs, for males, females, both. For males, females, both. Understood? For example, girls का group है, they are females, then also we will use they, them, theirs. अगर boys का group है, then also we will use they, them, theirs. And as well as for the non-living things. For the non-living things also we can use. For the non-living things also we can use. I hope you have understood. Again, I'm going to explain you first person and second person. First person and second person, I, me, mine, you, yours, we, us, ours, both for males and females. Both for males and females. I am a girl. I can use this I. Even any boy can also use this I. me, mine, all these things. Then third person singular, जिसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, if we are talking about a boy, we will use these pronouns, he, him, his. If we are talking about any girl, we will use this, she, her, hers, hers. If we are talking about any non-living thing or animals, we will use it. And if we are talking about the third person plural, अगर हम किसी ग्रुप ऑफ गर्ल्स के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, वो थर्ड पर्सन है हमारे लिए. आई एम टॉकिंग, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई एम टॉकिंग टू अ टीचर, I am the first person, the teacher is the second person, and I'm talking about the group of girls, that is third person, they are third person and plural, they are more than one. So then I'll use they, them, theirs. If I'm talking about a group of boys also, then also I'm going to use they, them, theirs. Now I hope you have understood. Now most of you did this mistake here. It was this: they are proud of their country, we are proud of us. Now the pronouns, we have to underline this. Many of you underlined this is wrong. Their country is here. अभी आपको मैंने यही बात बताई थी. their country, what is this? is a noun. their, this is possessive adjective here. if अगर ये ऐसा होता कि that country is theirs, then वो क्या हो जाता? pronoun. That would have become a possessive pronoun. And we are proud of ours. Now here this is possessive pronoun. Understood? Now here this is possessive pronoun. This is not pronoun here. This is possessive adjective. ये pronoun में count नहीं होगा. Understood? Thank you so much, children. I hope you have understood. You will start doing this exercise J in your copy. Exercise J in your copy, and this exercise K in your book, and rest this you can do as you wish. You can do for your own practice. Thank you so much, children.